All right, what will it be like for humans living on Mars? Have you ever wondered? Well, 4 researchers selected by NASA will help answer that question.
They will be living and working in a 3D printed habitat in NASA's Johnson Space Center that simulates living on the red planet. As KPRC2's Andy Sirota reports, lessons learned will prepare NASA for the next giant leap, sending the first astronauts to Mars.
With the mission set to begin in June, it's the first of 3 planned one-year Mars surface simulations. Crew members will live and work in a 3D printed 1,700 square foot habitat. This summer, 4 volunteers will begin a year-long mission that will pave the way for the first human exploration of Mars. Their day-to-day in many ways will resemble life on the International Space Station.
And they will be sleeping, eating, doing regular activities that we would do here on Earth.
It's called the Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog. By carrying out different types of activities, from simulated Mars walks and habitat maintenance to exercise and crop growth, NASA hopes to collect as much data as possible to give the agency more insight into the potential impacts of long-term missions to Mars. NASA provided Icon, an Austin-based company that specializes in 3D technology, with highly specific requirements relative to the needs and wants of crew members. The habitat was constructed in a hangar at Johnson Space Center using a 3D printer.
You have to think about everything, ranging from the day-to-day activities of the crew members to how they're going to be doing research and science activities over the course of their mission.
Researchers will also simulate the challenges of a human mission to Mars, including resource limitations, equipment failure, and communication delays.
They'll have wearables to collect that kind of data so that we can really understand how our crews are performing in this high-stress situation where they're in isolation confinement for a long time, where they have these time delays and they're expected to be more autonomous.
The volunteers for the Mars habitat were selected using a similar process to how astronauts are chosen for a mission. Andy Sirota, KPRC 2 News.